So in this video, we are going to understand a special case which will make a relationship between distance and displacement. Until now, you have already studied what is distance and what is displacement. We have already covered that in a previous videos. But in this video, there is a special case which we need to understand. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बीच में हम एक स्पेशल केस को समझेंगे. दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे जब हम एक स्पेशल केस मिलेंगे देन वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उन दोनों के बीच का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होगा. सो द स्पेशल केस इज स्टडिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है, जब एक बॉडी स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल करेगी देन एट दैट केस व्हाट विल बी द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. For example, if I say a body starts moving from this point A, ठीक है, A point से ये body move करना start करती है and after some time it travels in this path and reaches another point B. Now if I tell you to calculate the distance traveled by the body, you will simply say, sir, the path which is covered by the body is the distance. यहाँ पे path क्या है? The path is actually AB. AB is the path covered by the body. So what is the value of distance? This AB is the distance traveled by the body. At the same time, if I tell you what is the displacement here, so as per the concept of displacement, it says that it is the shortest distance between the initial and the final point. Now looking at this path, we will notice that there is only one path available. यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है, तो यही सबसे लंबा रास्ता, यही सबसे छोटा रास्ता, यही डिस्टेंस है और यही डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी है. सो इन दिस केस इफ आई टेल यू टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट, अगेन यू विल से दैट दिस AB is the displacement here. So this establishes a relationship that distance can be equal to displacement if a body travels in a straight line. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कॉन्सेप्ट ये स्टैब्लिश हुआ है that distance is equal to displacement if a body travels in a straight line because there is no other path. अगर कोई और रास्ता होता then we will be able to determine which is the shortest path and in that case displacement will be different as that of distance. But यहाँ पे since there is only one path, so that is why distance is equal to displacement in this case. Okay, हम concept में ये पढ़ते हैं that displacement can never be greater than the distance, but it can be equal to distance. लेकिन वो ऐसा कौन सा केस होता है जब distance और displacement बराबर होते हैं? So this is the case. Distance will be equal to displacement if the body travels in a straight line. Okay, so this was the concept. Now let's move on to a different concept. The different concept is of average speed and average velocity in terms of straight line. Now what is average speed? Average speed होती है total distance upon total time. Okay, if I say what is average speed, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं that average speed is equals to total distance divided by total time. This is the value of average speed. At the same time, if I tell you what is the formula for average velocity, so we have studied in the previous classes that there are two formulas for average velocity. One of those formulas says that average velocity is equal to total displacement. This says average velocity is equals to total displacement divided by total time. Total displacement divided by total time. So this gives us the formula for average velocity. Now you look at these two formulas very carefully and correlate this in the case of a straight line. जब हम यहाँ पे straight line की बात करेंगे then इन दोनों formulas से आपको पता चलेगा that total distance is equal to the total displacement. Total distance is equal to the total displacement because there is only one path available. So that means if we have to find out the ratio of average speed to average velocity in case of a straight line, then the ratio will be equal to 1:1. Okay, 1:1. This is the special case of average speed and average velocity. हम पहले से जानते हैं कि डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट अलग क्वांटिटी होती है, बट जब हमने उनको स्ट्रेट लाइन के कॉन्सेप्ट में पढ़ा तो हमें पता चला दैट इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन द डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. एट द सेम टाइम अगर हम स्ट्रेट लाइन के कॉन्सेप्ट में एवरेज स्पीड और एवरेज वेलोसिटी को स्टडी करेंगे तो हमें ये पता चलेगा दैट उनका रेशियो भी 1:1 होगा. So this was all in the special case of distance and displacement. The final result again मैं repeat कर दूँ. In case of a straight line, the distance is equal to displacement, and the ratio of average speed to average velocity will be 1:1. Okay, so that's all for today. Now we'll meet in the next video. Thank you everyone.